Reading assignment. Due date Monday, September 23rd, 2019. Directions. These directions are also available on your Canvas account. This is for the short story Rogue Wave, found in your Florida Collections pages 4 through 14. You may access this story one of two ways. One, through the hard copy textbook and or digitally through your Clever account. Click My HRW, also known as Holt McDougall Online. Once you click it, it will take you into your Florida Collections textbook dashboard. At the top right drop-down, make sure you select Florida Collections, Grade 7. When that appears, select Student eBook. When the page loads, click the middle of the black bar at the top of the page. This will allow you to enter the page number. The text starts on page 4. Sorry, it's indicated as page 3 online. Now using the dock on the left, you may increase the page size and play audio along with every page. Please use your headphones. For example, we're going to use your journal while reading this assignment to create annotated notes. In your journal, go to the next clean page. Please put your date at the top right, and the title of this journal entry is called Rogue Wave. Label A, and under A you're going to have at least 10 annotated notes, about 1 note per page. Please number your 1 through 10. An annotation is a note of explanation or a comment. Annotations may include what you visualize while you read this section, what connections you make, how or what it makes you feel based on your own personal memory and experiences, any analogies or metaphors you can think of, and anecdotal situations. After those 10 notes, you'd skip a line and label B. After reading on page 14, you're going to answer the 2 questions found under the collaborative discussion. Please use complete sentences. If we go to page 14, we'll see the collaborative discussion. It's found right here at the bottom. They are, how and when did this adventure tale hook you? And 2, as it unfolded, what events help you keep you anxious about what would happen? This assignment, once again, is due Monday, September 23rd, 2019.